Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe, and before we get started, it's important to note that not everyone born under the zodiac sign of Pisces will exhibit every single characteristic that we're going to go over today. Also, it's good to acknowledge that negative qualities provide room for personal development and growth. Now, with that in mind, here are some potential negative qualities, challenges, and life lessons associated with the sign Pisces. Number 1, escapism. Pisces individuals are prone to wanting to escape reality as a way to avoid reality or a way to avoid dealing with difficult emotions. This can manifest in excessive daydreaming, overindulgence in substances of sorts, whether through drugs or food or movies, or even by seeking shelter in the realm of fantasy and imagination. Oversensitivity. Pisces can be highly sensitive and easily affected by their surroundings, often absorbing the emotions and energies of other people. This sensitivity can lead to difficulties in setting healthy boundaries or overwhelming emotions. Number 3, indecisiveness. Pisceans may struggle with decision making, oftentimes getting lost in the realm of possibility. This indecisiveness can hinder progress or even lead to missed opportunities. Number 4, over-idealism. Pisces individuals tend to have idealistic views of how things should be, which can oftentimes lead to disappointment when reality fails to meet those expectations. They may also have a tendency to hold on to unrealistic relationships or beliefs, ignoring red flags. Number 5, lack of assertiveness. Pisces individuals may struggle with asserting themselves and expressing their needs and their desires. They are prone to people-pleasing or even sacrificing their own needs, desires, well-being for the sake of maintaining harmony in relationships. Number 6, boundary issues. Due to their compassionate and empathic nature, Pisces may have a difficulty building and maintaining healthy boundaries. This can result in becoming easily overwhelmed or being taken advantage of by others. Number 7, martyrdom. Did I say that right? Martyrdom. Some Pisces individuals have a tendency to play the martyr, sacrificing their own well-being for the sake of others. This can lead them to neglect their own needs and also to victimize themselves. Number 8, procrastination. Pisces can sometimes struggle with procrastinating, making it difficult for them to complete projects that they've started or to even get started on projects, finding it difficult to initiate things, initiate action. This can lead to a lack of productivity and stress. Number 9, reality avoidance. And we've kind of already touched on this in the beginning of the video, but in their desire to escape harsh realities, Pisces individuals may avoid facing practical responsibilities or making necessary and responsible adjustments in life. This can lead to difficulties in achieving their long-term goals or even achieving financial stability. Number 10, over-emotionalism. Pisces individuals are usually very emotional and they may experience severe mood swings or just heightened sensitivity. This emotional intensity can affect their close relationships and their decision-making process. Challenges and life lessons for Pisces could involve developing healthy boundaries and learning to say no when you really want to say no. You don't owe anyone anything, and you aren't obligated to do anything or to say anything that you don't want to or that you don't feel is true to you. Cultivating practicality and learning to feel grounded in yourself. Grounding yourself to reality instead of fantasy. Practice building self-confidence and assertiveness in order to express your true needs and desires unapologetically, without worrying how it's going to affect others. Strive for clarity and decisiveness in your decision-making process. Learning how to balance your idealistic visions while accepting your current reality and ultimately appreciating the present moment. Learning how to nurture self-care practices to prevent emotional overwhelm, such as through meditating, or if meditating isn't for you, dancing, exercising, because I know stillness can be very hard for some people. So instead of stillness, you could use movement for a form of healthy escapism, yoga, hardcore working out, running, riding a bike, even journaling, mentally escaping in a healthy way, self-reflection. All you have to do is start off with, I feel sad because ... I feel happy because ... I feel overwhelmed because ... You'll gain so much more self-awareness through the writing process. You'll be surprised as to what you learn about yourself through writing. Learning to take on practical responsibilities without feeling overwhelmed, and to actively work for your goals and your ideals. Learning to recognize your own worth, your own value, independent from external validation, independent from other people's opinions. Remember, Pisces individuals, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mercury, Venus, Mars, those are the Pisces placements that I am discussing today. The other planets are more generational. They're less personalized because they stay in a sign for so long that multiple people have the same generational planets. The top 5 planets plus your rising sign are more personalized to you. And remember, Pisces individuals, these negative qualities and challenges are strictly to provide you with a foundation to build on towards personal development and growth. These negative qualities aren't meant to knock you down. This video is strictly to inform and to allow Pisces individuals to address their shortcomings as well as appreciating their positive traits. I hope this video helped you in some sort of way, or I hope you found this video insightful. Please let me know how you feel about this video in the comments down below. Hit the like button if you like the video. Share it with your fellow Piscean friends. And if you're still with me, please drop me a purple heart in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank yourself for delving into deeper self-awareness. I hope you have a blessed week, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.